Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving any unsaved work and understanding your model. Hold the power button until the power menu appears. This ensures you can control shutdown cleanly. Once you see power off on the screen, tap it or press and hold to force shutdown depending on your model. Make sure battery is above 20% so the device won't die during the process. If your tablet uses a separate physical power switch behavior, follow that instead to reach a full power-off state before the next step. Power the tablet back on while immediately pressing and holding volume down. You must do this right after the Samsung logo appears. Holding volume down tells Android to boot with third-party apps disabled, so you can diagnose problems. Keep holding until the home screen loads and look for the safe mode label in the lower left corner to confirm success. If the tablet boots normally, power off and repeat the timing. Some models need you to release power and continue holding volume down specifically. To leave safe mode, simply restart the tablet normally. You don't need to hold any buttons and installed apps will return. If you use safe mode to identify a problematic app, uninstall that app and reboot to confirm the issue is resolved. If problems persist, clear the system cache or try booting into recovery to run diagnostics. If safe mode won't engage at all, verify your volume keys work and consider a factory reset only after backing up data. That's the last resort when software troubleshooting fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.